Hey guys, in today's video I want to talk to you about something. Are you burned out, worn out, and empty? Stay tuned. Hey, the American culture that we live in puts a lot of pressure on people to earn money. We measure success over here in this culture, in our culture, and achievement through money. That's like the way we measure it. But you weren't born, none of us were born to wore ourselves out trying to make money. None of us were born to have a purpose, wear yourself out to try to get rich. Hey, listen, money's important. I know. You know, we all have to have money to survive. Money brings us good things. There's nothing wrong with having stuff. But money, things, and stuff is not going to bring you peace. And if you wear yourself out trying to do that, you'll be worn out and empty. And if you live your life's purpose, the money will come from that purpose. And you'll have peace and rest doing your purpose. So I run into a lot of people that are just sick, man. They just wore out and empty and working in circles. And the reason is they're not doing what God called them to do. Figure out what your purpose is. Live your life's purpose. You'll have lots of peace. You'll get lots of rest. It'll be easy to do, and you'll have joy. Joy doesn't come by accumulating things. Joy comes from living your life. Hey, thank you. I hope this video helped you, and God bless.